To replace the battery, first we will take out the key, press this button right there, and then slide the key outwards, just like that. Now I will use a screwdriver like this, and we'll try punching it in that smaller hole right there. Make sure the switches are at the bottom, and on your left side there's that hole that we have to punch in this screwdriver. While punching in the screwdriver, make sure you are pushing the screwdriver upwards, just like that, and you will see the cover popping out. There it is. Now to take out this battery, I would recommend not touching the frame and just take it out using this screwdriver. Just like that. This is the kind of battery needed, CR2032. My battery is good, so I will be installing it back. In case if you have a bad battery, make sure the plus sign is at the top before installing the battery in the remote. We will slide in the battery, make sure it's all the way in, and then I will go ahead and punch in the cover. One more recommendation, keep this battery portion down because if you keep it up, it will fall apart. Always keep it below, and then we put the cover part on top. We push the battery cover from all the edges. Notice all the edges are in and nothing is coming out. Then we will go ahead and punch in the key. The key itself goes into the bigger hole right there. Just slide it out all the way till the end. And that is how you replace the battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.